Today, we're going to talk about something that, well, nobody really enjoys doing.
Let me guess. Cleaning?
Yes, we're talking about cleaning the house.
Ah, everyone's favorite activity.
Right, so fun.
But seriously, cleaning is something we all have to do.
Exactly, and today we're going to have a real conversation about it.
We'll talk about different cleaning tasks, cleaning products, and how we feel about cleaning.
We'll use simple, everyday English, the kind of English native speakers actually use.
This is perfect for beginners who want to learn real, practical vocabulary.
So grab your imaginary broom.
And let's get started.
All right, let's begin.
Hey, Sarah, how's your day going?
Honestly, not great.
Oh no, what's wrong?
I spent all morning cleaning my apartment.
All morning?
Yes, 3 hours.
Wow, that's a lot of cleaning.
I know, and I'm exhausted.
I bet. What were you cleaning?
Everything. The kitchen, the bathroom, the living room.
Did you do a deep clean?
What's a deep clean?
You know, like a really thorough cleaning, not just the surface stuff.
Oh yeah, that's exactly what I did.
Why? Are you having guests over?
No, I couldn't stand the mess anymore.
I know that feeling.
Sometimes you just wake up and think, today is cleaning day.
Yes, that happens to me too.
And then you can't relax until everything is clean.
Exactly.
So, Mike, how often do you clean your place?
It depends
On what?
on how messy it gets.
That's not really a schedule.
I know. I'm not very good at keeping a cleaning schedule.
So you just clean when it looks dirty?
Pretty much, yeah.
What about weekly cleaning, like vacuuming or mopping?
Oh, I try to vacuum once a week.
Try to?
Okay, fine. Maybe once every 2 weeks.
At least you're honest.
What about you? Do you have a cleaning schedule?
I try to. I like to clean the bathroom every Saturday.
Every Saturday? That's impressive.
Well, bathrooms get gross quickly.
That's true.
And I try to vacuum twice a week.
Twice a week? Wow.
I have a cat, so there's a lot of fur everywhere.
Ah, that makes sense. Let's talk about different rooms. Which room is the hardest to clean?
I think the kitchen.
Really? Why the kitchen?
There are so many things to clean. The counter, the stove, the sink, the floor.
And the dishes.
Oh my gosh, the dishes.
You hate doing dishes?
I really do. They never end.
I know. You finish washing them and then you cook another meal.
And there are more dishes.
It's a never-ending cycle.
Exactly. That's why I want a dishwasher so badly.
You don't have a dishwasher?
No, I have to wash everything by hand.
That's rough.
Do you have a dishwasher?
I do, and I'm very grateful for it.
Lucky.
For me, the hardest room to clean is the bathroom.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know why, but I really hate cleaning the bathroom.
Is it the toilet?
Yeah, mostly the toilet.
Nobody likes cleaning the toilet.
It's just gross,
It really is.
but it has to be done.
Unfortunately, yes.
What about the shower? Do you clean your shower often?
I try to clean it once a week.
What do you use?
Just bathroom cleaner spray.
Does it work well?
Most of the time, but sometimes I have to scrub really hard.
Yeah, soap scum can be tough to remove.
Soap scum?
Yeah, that's what it's called, the buildup on your shower walls.
Oh, I didn't know it had a name.
Yep, soap scum.
Let's talk about cleaning products.
Good idea.
What's your go-to cleaning product?
Go to?
Yeah, like your favorite, the one you use the most.
Ah, okay. Probably all-purpose cleaner.
What's that?
It's a cleaner you can use on almost any surface.
Like counters and tables?
Yeah, exactly. I use it in the kitchen, the bathroom, everywhere.
That sounds convenient.
It is. I don't have to buy a different cleaner for every room.
Smart. What brand do you use?
I think it's called Method or maybe Mrs. Myers.
I've heard of those.
They smell pretty good too.
Oh, that's important. Some cleaners smell terrible.
Yeah, like bleach.
Ugh, bleach. The smell gives me a headache.
Same. But it's really good for disinfecting.
That's true. I use bleach in the bathroom sometimes.
Just make sure the room is well ventilated.
What does that mean?
It means open a window or turn on a fan so the fumes don't make you sick.
Oh, good tip.
What cleaning tools do you use?
Like a mop and broom?
Yeah, stuff like that.
Well, I have a vacuum cleaner. That's the most important one.
What kind?
Just a basic upright vacuum.
Does it work well?
It's okay. Sometimes it gets clogged with cat fur.
That's the problem with pets.
I know, but I love my cat, so it's worth it.
Of course. What else do you have?
A mop for the floors, a broom, sponges, paper towels.
Do you use microfiber cloths?
What are those?
They're special cleaning cloths. They're reusable and really good at picking up dust.
Oh, I should get some of those.
Yeah, they're great. Way better than paper towels.
Where do you buy them?
Any store, really. Target, Walmart, Amazon.
I'll check it out. Okay, let's talk about specific cleaning tasks.
All right.
How do you clean your floors?
It depends on the type of floor.
What do you mean?
Well, if it's carpet, I vacuum.
Right.
If it's hardwood or tile, I sweep first, then mop.
You always sweep before mopping?
Yeah, if you don't, you're just pushing dirt around with the mop.
That makes sense.
What about you?
I usually just vacuum everything, even the hardwood floors.
You can do that?
Yeah, most vacuums have a setting for hard floors.
Huh, I didn't know that.
It's faster than sweeping.
I'll have to try that. What about dusting? Do you dust regularly?
Ugh, dusting.
Haha, you don't like dusting?
Not really. It's so boring.
I know, but it has to be done.
How often do you dust?
Maybe once a month?
That's it?
Yeah, I know I should do it more.
I try to dust every 2 weeks.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, but I always miss spots,
Like where?
like the top of the refrigerator or ceiling fan blades.
Oh yeah, ceiling fans get so dusty.
I know, and it's hard to reach them.
I use a stepladder.
I should get one of those.
Or you can use a duster with a long handle.
Oh, that's a good idea. Let's talk about windows.
Windows?
Yeah. Do you clean your windows?
Honestly, almost never.
Never?
Well, maybe once a year.
Mike,
I know, but it's such a pain.
it really is. I hate cleaning windows.
They always have streaks.
Yes, no matter how hard I try, there are always streaks.
What do you use to clean them?
Glass cleaner and paper towels.
That's your problem.
What?
Paper towels leave streaks. You should use newspaper.
Newspaper?
Yeah, old newspaper works great on windows.
Really? I've never heard of that.
Yep, my mom taught me that trick.
I'll have to try it.
You should. It actually works. Can I tell you a funny story?
Of course.
Okay, so last month I was cleaning my apartment
Uh-huh.
and I decided to move my couch to vacuum under it.
Okay.
Well, when I moved the couch, I found so much stuff under there.
Like what?
A TV remote I've been looking for, 3 pins, a sock, and like a million dust bunnies.
Dust bunnies?
Yeah, you know, those clumps of dust and hair.
Oh, we call them dust bunnies.
Yeah, because they kind of look like little balls of fluff.
That's cute and gross.
Very gross. There were so many.
How long had it been since you moved the couch?
Maybe a year?
A year? Mike,
I know, I should move furniture more often when I clean.
you really should. Speaking of furniture, do you clean your couch?
Like vacuum it?
Yeah.
Sometimes. Do you?
I try to vacuum it once a month.
Why?
Because of my cat. She sheds a lot.
Ah, right.
So there's always fur on the couch.
Do you use a lint roller?
Sometimes, but it takes forever.
Yeah, vacuuming is faster.
Way faster.
What about the refrigerator? Do you clean inside your fridge?
Ugh, not as often as I should.
Same.
It's such a big job.
I know. You have to take everything out
And check all the expiration dates.
and throw away old food.
It's so gross. I always find something moldy.
Every time.
How often are you supposed to clean your fridge?
I think once a month.
Really? That often?
That's what I've heard.
I definitely don't do it that often.
Me neither. Maybe every 3 months.
Yeah, that sounds more realistic. Let's talk about laundry.
Is laundry part of cleaning?
I think so. It's housework.
Fair enough.
How often do you do laundry?
Once a week, usually.
Same. I do it every Sunday.
Do you separate your clothes?
Separate them?
Yeah, like whites, colors, and darks.
Oh, I'm supposed to do that?
Technically, yes.
Oops, I just throw everything in together.
That's risky. Your white clothes might turn pink.
It's happened before,
See?
but I don't have many white clothes anymore, so it's fine.
Problem solved. Do you fold your clothes right away?
I try to.
But you don't always.
No, sometimes they sit in the dryer for a day or two.
And then they get wrinkled.
Exactly.
I do the same thing.
It's just, I don't want to fold them.
Folding is so boring.
Right? I'd rather do anything else.
But it has to be done.
Unfortunately. Okay, here's a question. What's the cleaning task you hate the most?
Probably cleaning the oven.
The oven?
Yeah, it gets so dirty.
From cooking?
Yeah, food spills and burns onto the bottom.
And it's hard to clean?
Really hard. You have to use special oven cleaner.
Is that different from regular cleaner?
Yeah, it's much stronger, and it smells terrible.
Worse than bleach?
Maybe. It's pretty bad.
How often do you clean your oven?
Maybe twice a year?
That's it?
Yeah, I avoid it as long as possible.
I don't blame you. For me, the worst task is cleaning behind the toilet.
Behind the toilet?
Yeah, that little space between the toilet and the wall.
Oh, yeah, that's hard to reach.
And it's always so dusty and gross back there.
Do you use a special tool?
Just a rag, but I have to get on my hands and knees.
That sounds uncomfortable.
It is, but it has to be done.
You're very thorough.
I try to be.
Let's talk about cleaning motivation.
Ooh, good topic.
How do you motivate yourself to clean?
I usually put on music.
Music helps?
So much. I put on upbeat music and it makes cleaning more fun.
What kind of music?
Pop music, usually. Something with a good beat.
That's smart. What about you?
I like to listen to podcasts. While you clean?
Yeah, it makes the time go faster.
That's a good idea.
And I learned something while I clean.
2 birds with 1 stone.
Exactly.
Do you ever reward yourself after cleaning?
Reward myself?
Yeah, like treat yourself to something.
Oh, yeah. I usually order takeout.
So you clean your kitchen and then don't use it?
Exactly. I don't want to make it dirty again.
That makes sense, actually.
What about you?
I usually watch a movie or take a long bath.
That sounds nice.
It's my way of celebrating a clean house.
You've earned it.
Do you ever hire someone to clean your place?
Like a cleaning service?
Yeah.
I've thought about it, but no.
Why not?
It feels expensive.
How much does it cost?
I think around $100 to $150 for a deep clean.
That is kind of expensive.
Yeah, but if you have a big house, it might be worth it.
True.
Have you ever hired a cleaner?
No, but my mom does.
Really?
Yeah, someone comes once a month to clean her house.
And she likes it?
She loves it. She says it's worth every penny.
I bet. Coming home to a clean house must be amazing.
Right? Maybe one day I'll hire someone too.
When we're rich.
Exactly.
Let's talk about cleaning hacks.
Cleaning hacks?
Yeah, like tips and tricks to make cleaning easier.
Ooh, I love those.
Do you know any good ones?
Oh, I learned this one from the internet.
Yeah?
If you put a cup of vinegar in the microwave and heat it for a few minutes, the steam makes it easy to wipe clean.
That's genius.
I know, right?
Does it really work?
Yes, all the stuck-on food just wipes right off.
I'm definitely trying that.
You should. It's a game changer.
Here's one I learned.
Tell me.
If you sprinkle baking soda in your trash can, it absorbs odors.
Really?
Yeah, your trash won't smell as bad.
That's brilliant.
Baking soda is great for so many things.
Like what else?
You can use it to clean your sink. Just sprinkle it on and scrub.
Does it work better than regular cleaner?
It's gentler and it's natural.
I like that.
Me too, plus it's cheap.
That's always a bonus. What about organizing? Is that part of cleaning?
I think so. A clean house is also an organized house.
True. Do you organize your stuff regularly?
Not really. I'm not very organized.
Me neither.
I have a lot of clutter.
Clutter?
Yeah, like random stuff lying around. Papers, keys, mail.
Oh, I have that too.
It drives me crazy sometimes.
Same, but I don't know where to put everything.
That's the problem. You need a place for everything.
Easier said than done.
True.
Have you ever done a big decluttering session?
Like throwing away a bunch of stuff?
Yeah, or donating it.
Actually, yes, last year.
How did it go?
It felt amazing. I got rid of so much stuff I didn't need.
Like what?
Old clothes, books I'll never read, random kitchen gadgets.
How did you decide what to keep?
I asked myself, have I used this in the past year?
And if the answer was no,
I got rid of it.
that's a good rule.
It really helped. My apartment feels less crowded now.
I should do that.
You should. It's very freeing.
Okay, Mike, we've talked about a lot today.
We really have.
Cleaning different rooms, cleaning products, laundry.
Motivation, hacks, organizing.
So what's the main takeaway?
I think the main takeaway is that cleaning is part of life,
Right, everyone has to do it.
even if we don't enjoy it.
But there's ways to make it easier.
Like listening to music or podcasts, using good cleaning products and tools,
Breaking it into small tasks.
and rewarding yourself when you're done.
Exactly. While you clean?
Yeah, it makes the time go faster.
That's a good idea.
And I learned something while I clean.
2 birds with 1 stone.
Exactly.
Do you ever reward yourself after cleaning?
Reward myself?
Yeah, like treat yourself to something.
Oh yeah, I usually order takeout.
So you clean your kitchen and then don't use it?
Exactly. I don't want to make it dirty again.
That makes sense, actually.
What about you?
I usually watch a movie or take a long bath.
That sounds nice.
It's my way of celebrating a clean house.
You've earned it.
Do you ever hire someone to clean your place?
Like a cleaning service?
Yeah.
I've thought about it, but no.
Why not?
It feels expensive.
How much does it cost?
I think around $100 to $150 for a deep clean.
That is kind of expensive.
Yeah, but if you have a big house, it might be worth it.
True.
Have you ever hired a cleaner?
No, but my mom does.
Really?
Yeah, someone comes once a month to clean her house.
And she likes it?
She loves it. She says it's worth every penny.
I bet. Coming home to a clean house must be amazing.
Right? Maybe one day I'll hire someone too.
When we're rich.